Look at Leo. He smell food. This is my food now. And now he is searching. Now he's coming. Oh my God. What are you doing here? Huh? Do you smell something? Huh? Do you smell something? What did you smell? Now he's quiet down because he knows that I'm doing video for him. Because he's a greedy man. Come, 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 come. Now this is the smell. This is a liver gizzard adobo. Now smell it. And with rice. And also this one. He thinks that their food. It's coming little by little. I give you already food. I will not give you now. Later when your dad come. No. This light line is a creature now is coming over on my food. It's very near now. The other one is waiting. Go, go, go there. You're not allowed. That is my food. He is ready to grab, guys. He's ready to grab. No, this is my food. Sorry. Karas, I will eat first. No, later, later. No, later.